Everyone, this is Kiva Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ulit to ng reaction video, ang Jilom Everdomi cover of There's Always Me. But this one, i-compare naman natin ang version niya together with Emilio Santoro. So si Emilio Santoro, clones din siya, no? Ginagaya niya din, or clone din siya ni Elvis Presley. So I won't take any longer, nagawan ko na kanina siya ng reaction video, yung isang If I Can Dream, should I say, and na-differentiate ko talaga doon kung paano nila in-execute ang kanta. I really love this kind of comparison. Hindi pala pag-awayan sila, kundi i-compare lang kung who sang it better. Okay, this is something like not a versusan or whatnot na sasabihin kong maganda ang kay Jerome, ang pangit to sa kanya, and pangit to kay Jerome, maganda to sa kanya. Hindi ganun yun. Hindi ganun yung purpose ng video na to. Ang purpose ng video nito is just like to differentiate how they will deliver a song of Elvis Presley, not to clash their versions. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm really excited to watch this one because I'm really eager din na mapanood to and magawa ng reaction video. So without further ado, let's start this. Atake tayo dito. Go! There's Always Me. Mahina lang, no? Ay, grabe naman yung sigawan. Sorry kung mahina, ah. Ay. Okay. Ganun ba talaga dapat, Ma'am? Oh, love that. Lakasan na natin. But I will. Sana all. This is one of my favorite part talaga, yung ganito. Yung malabas yung pagkamusikality ng yung naka-coat sa left side, yung katabi ng babae. Bilib na bilib kay Jerome mo. Tayo, proceed tayo sa isang video which is ang clone din ni what do you call this, ni Jerome, ni Elvis Presley. Wait. So this is the version naman ni titingnan natin kung sino kumanta nito. Si Emilio Santoro. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Sige nga. Kung kanino ang perfect na version. Kinumpare. Ala, ang gwapo niya din. Okay, okay. Let's check it out.
We're gonna do a beautiful song called There's Always Me.
Okay.
Shadows fall.
Oh, promising. Okay.
There's always me. If your great romance should end,
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
and you're lonesome for a friend,
Never be.
there's always me.
Love that.
I'll sing tonight somehow,
Grabe yung low notes dyan din, in fairness.
playing second fiddle now. Someday you want me deep.
May ano din, may romansa din ang boses niya, in fairness.
Within my arms you come to know.
Da-da-da-da.
Never lost when you come to know. But my love for you will be
Da-da-da-da-da-da. Ooh, love that. Buo-buo? Buo-buo yung boses niya. Love it. Okay, alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is from Jim Ibardam and who is the other guy, Emilio Santoro. In fairness ang dami na din natin talagang na natutunan na marami din palang gumagaya kay kay what they call this, kay Elvis Presley. I love it. So for me yung dynamics talaga dito, kasi ang kay Emilio iba ang karinyo din niya sa totoo lang. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko ma-identify or distinguish kung sino ang kumanta ng mas bongga. Pero for me, pareha sila. Iba-iba kasi, magkaiba ang boses nila. Magkaiba talaga ang texture ng boses nila. So yeah, that is our for today's video. This is Kiki Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!